So here you can see our navbar is fixed. We need navbar is in bottom, so here we have changed the position. Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Yesterday I have said that we will make this navbar at a fixed position. At first I want to revise you what we have done yesterday. First of all, we have added the image, which is logo, and then UL, and UL, in between UL and image we have given the margin, and here is our list which have links, and when we hover there then it changes the color. Let's have some look. Here you can see we have made it a container and navbar which is of purple color, light purple color, and then logo, and then list. We have list, inside list we have anchor tag, and inside anchor tag I have added some name: home, chat, about, contact us. To make this fixed, at first we need to make scrollable page so that we can see the fixed position. So for making scrollable I want to add some content. So for that I am making div outside the container box. And I am giving the style here. Style is equals to background red, height 100 bs, and bs is the vertical height. You can see from here to here, this is our vertical height. So from here to here, this is 100 bs, 100 vertical height, and I am giving that 100 vertical height to div. So I am again copying this div because we need to shift alt and arrow down. So now I am changing the color of second one so that we can see that page is scrolling or not. Now we have the red, and here you can see blue, but our main problem is the navbar is not fixed. Here you can see the navbar, we have to make fixed position fixed. Now you can see our nav has been fixed, but the problem is it is not 100% wide, so we are giving wide 100%. Now you can see everything is fine. So this is our way to fix the navbar. But if you want to fix this navbar at bottom, then here is our another property that comes with position fixed, that is bottom. From bottom it will be 0, from bottom it will be 0, from bottom it will be 0, from bottom it will be 0. What happen if I will do bottom 20 pixel, then it will be 20 pixel up from bottom. You can see 20 pixel up from bottom. So in this way we can change the position of fixed navbar. So I am keeping here 0 so that it will be in bottom. Now this tutorial is this much, and thanks for the watching video. Next video will be about sliding navbar when we click the one button. So thanks for the watching video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you are new in our channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for the watching video. Thank you. And here we can see, if you click this one, this will come here, and how it is coming, that we will learn in next video. And this is the way that you can make a sliding navbar, but I will be teaching in next video.